Hello everyone. Navigating your website seamlessly is essential for providing a great user experience. In this tutorial, we will show you how to connect pages on your WordPress website, from creating a navigation menu and adding custom links to creating drop-down list menus. So, without no further talking, let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have full experience. So the first thing that I will need you guys to do is launch your dashboard. Then, as you may all know, open your site to check if you have already a menu created by your default template. As you may see here, this is my menu which starts by home and it is empty at the moment since I have zero page added to this menu. Now, how can we start creating pages and link them? First thing is go here to post or I mean pages and then click on add new as you may see over here. So let's click on it and this is where we are going to create our page. Simply here you can give a title which is the name of the page. So let's make it for example about us, and simply here you can just edit the page. So you can add blocks, you can add images, gallery, lists and more. So we are not going to do that right now. We are just going to keep it simple and blank. Here, you will find some kind of other settings as visibility, is it public or private, or password protected. There is publish immediately or you want to schedule it, and the URL. So the URL is going to be like that. So about us, you can change it to whatever you'd like. You can make it, for example, about us, and basically you can't make spaces since it is a URL. You'll have to add kind of like something like this symbol. And once you finish with that, all you gotta do is click on publish, publish again, as you might see here, and it will be published. So as you can see, click on view page. Here it is the page and has been added to the menu. Well, how can we decide if we want this page to be added to the menu or not? Well, we can do that through going to our website, click on customize, and then wait a little bit, click on menus, go to the main menu, and here, let me just remove all of these so we can be correct. So we don't have any problem here. Remove. These are some old pages that I have removed and they are still here. So anyway, if you'd like this page to be not in here, you can simply click here to remove it from this menu. Then click on publish. And then if I reload this page, as you can see, it is no longer here. But don't worry guys, the page is not deleted. As you can see, I can still open this page as long as I have the URL. Now, how we can decide either we want to add a page or not? Well, you can't decide really. All you have to do is add it manually or remove it manually. Well, how to do that? I showed you how to remove it. Now I will show you how to add it. So simply, let me create a new page so we can have multiple options. I'm going to create actually 3 extra pages. So here we go, the same thing. Go to pages, add new, and from here click for example about us. Let's do services. I'm just going to publish it directly, and let's go back to here, add new, and I'm going to do here pricing for example, publish, publish, and I'm going to add for example news. These are some random names, and finally I'm going to add sports. So you will get why I have added news and sport later on this video. So here we go. And if I refreshed, they have been all been added to the main menu. Now let's start customizing these pages. Click on customize, and from here go to the menus as you may see in this list. Click on the main menu, and here we go. So first off, we are starting with home. So home is the main page, services is the second page, pricing is the third page, and then we have menu and news I mean. So for the news and sports, we can categorize sports as news. So what I'm going to do is add menu list. what I'm going to do basically is just drag this sport Android, so there is a space between news and sport, as you may see here. So there is such a space in here. There is no space in between these two, but there is kind of like space in here. So that means that sport is now a submenu of news. Now, if I went here, you will notice that news has been added to, or sports has been added to news, as you can see here. It is no longer a normal menu alone here. Now, we can add other pages. We can simply either remove them from a menu, submenu, or you can just click here to add an item and then choose one of your already created pages. We can do this. Here we go. About us, which is the page that we have created first. And we can also add some posts, categories, tags, and formats. These are the things that you can add to the menu and make it look as a page for your visitors or users. And that will help your user experience so much and increase the satisfaction of it, because it will know much more where to go, how to get there, and etc. Now, there is other ways of creating menus. So if you didn't find this main menu here, you can actually create it by your own self. How to do that? Simply click on create menu, and here let's name it footer menu. Now what I'm going to do is click on next, and now let's start by adding items. So here we go. I'm going to add some couple pages, for example home and pricing and services. Click add. That's it. Alright, and now I'm going to publish. So this menu has been created, but it is not shown anywhere in here. So you can go basically to your dashboard once more and go to your appearance. From here, you can go to menus, for example, and start editing it from here. As you can see, sorry. Here we go. Okay, menus, yeah. So here we go. Now, if I went here, this is footer menu that I have created. Click on select, and as you can see here, these are the same settings that I've showed you here. The same things, just from the dashboard itself, not from the website. So here you can add the menu, recent pages, posts, custom links, categories, and from here you can decide their order or to be like create a submenu and etc. And if you'd like to add the display location, you can simply go here and you can just go, for example, auto add pages or like social links menu, and then remove it, save menu, and from here you can be more specific about your location. So for example, top menu is gonna be main menu, and for the social links menu it's gonna be the footer menu. And then we're gonna click on save changes, refresh, and now as you can see, it has been nothing changed since we don't have actually a social media menu yet. Well, the social media menu will be added depending on your template. So in this template, it is not actually available, so it doesn't happen to be here. But overall, we can actually add it through here. Now, if I clicked on the footer, for example, and you'd like to add a main menu to it, you can simply click here and simply click on edit menu, and from here you can add the items into it. So it is as simple as that. And yeah guys, that was it for today's video. If you enjoyed, please leave a like and thank you guys for watching.